Are you guys ready to supercharge that mortgage game? We've got a scoop on how dropping your interest rates can actually be the ticket to your financial freedom.
Yes, it can.
Oh,
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, May 10th, and you know what that means. It's a
Funky
Fresh
Friday
here at
Gil Mortgage.
Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
And we're here to tell you about some fun stuff happening this weekend.
Oh, do we, Rob? What's going on first?
Well, it's a big weekend, big weekend. First, we want to wish everyone a happy National Military Spouse Appreciation Day.
Cool.
So that's right. So always the Friday before Mother's Day, National Military Spouse Appreciation Day, recognizes the significant contributions, supports, and sacrifices of the spouses of military forces, right? National Military Spouse Appreciation Day is also sometimes known as Military Spouse Day.
Cool. Did you know on May 23rd, 1984, President Ronald Reagan declared the first Military Spouse Day with Proclamation 5184, dated April 17, 1984. In fact, he recognized the profound importance of spouse commitment to the readiness and well-being of military members, believe it or not. Interesting.
Yeah, so thank you all for your support.
Absolutely, thank you.
Appreciate you guys.
What else you got going, Rob?
Well,
The most obvious.
We got to start with the big one, John. This weekend, this Sunday is Mother's Day. That's
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Mother's Day, right? So it's a time-honored tradition of recognizing the women in our lives who raised us, dried our tears, and, well, mothered us as well, right? So everyone has one, or someone has one who has someone who's like a mother to them, right? So whether we shower them with gifts, take them to a fancy dinner, make her a homemade card, it's what moms want most. Is just to be surrounded by the love of their family. Knowing the people they love are safe, sound, and healthy is a mom's #1 priority.
Absolutely. So pay tribute to your mother this holiday. Surround her with the love she deserves and shower her with affection and attention and show her what she wants and needs. In fact, for those of us whose moms are no longer with us, spend some time remembering and the woman that you actually miss and loved. So if you're a mom, just bask in that attention that you're going to get because you deserve it.
You sure do. Thanks, moms.
What else, Rob?
Well, John, as long as we're talking about moms, why don't you take her out for some vino?
Oh, yeah.
So we've got the 6th annual Verde Valley Wine Festival. Yep. And take that, right? So it's going to be returning for its 6th year. It's co-sponsored by the Verde Valley Wine Consortium and the city of Cottonwood. Ooh, a little day trip with mom. Sounds good, right? Wine enthusiasts from near and far will gather to celebrate the best of Northern Arizona's burgeoning wine industry. In addition to 20-plus wineries in attendance, festival goers will also enjoy local beer, spirits, bites from local eateries, shopping with local artisans, live music, all within the charming atmosphere of Riverfront Park.
Not to mention a little cooler than down here.
Oh, man.
And that's going to be Saturday the 11th at 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Riverfront Park, which is at 1284 East Riverfront Road in Cottonwood.
A little day trip, have some vino, a little cooler weather.
A break from Phoenix.
I'm good.
Let's do it. What else we got going, Rob?
Well, as long as we're taking a day trip, why don't we go see the Gipsy Kings? Who? Because the Gipsy Kings.
Man, it's been a while.
I know, they're amazing. They're performing at the Pepsi Amphitheater at Fort Tuthill Country Park amidst the largest continuous ponderosa pine forest in the world in the magical Coconino County.
Pine trees, those things are huge.
Oh my gosh, they're amazing. Like the smell is just beautiful. Now, the musical group was founded in France in 1978.
Wow.
It's bringing the world music to the Pepsi Amphitheater stage. The band is known for creating music that pays homage to the Catalan culture with sounds of Catalan rumba, flamenco, salsa, and pop. You know, they've had 2 Grammy wins for Best Global Music Album.
Not much of a dancer.
Well, you know what happens, right? And they've sold over 20 million albums worldwide.
Wow.
So, and they've had hits in movies, The Big Lebowski, Toy Story, and they've definitely earned their spot as leaders and superstars in the world music genre.
Cool. And, of course, that's also the 11th on Saturday from 8 in the evening to 11 p.m. at the Pepsi Amphitheater, which is 250 Garrison Road in Flagstaff.
You know, I couldn't help but notice the Cottonwood Wine Festival is done at 6, and this starts at 8.
Kind of just briskly make your way across. It's a little bit of a distance, but
make a night out. Make
see
a
how
day
fast
out of
the
it.
car can get up to top speed. Get over, get your butt over. What else we got going, Rob?
Well, I'll tell you, John, somewhere locally, are you guys up for a good old-fashioned school carnival?
Maybe.
Those are kind of fun, right, in the school? So, well, this one is it. There's going to be the Chamber Carnival, which is hosted by Caurus Academy. So they're going to have bouncy houses, carnival games, rides, cotton candy, popcorn, Kona ice, pizza. They're even going to have a silent auction and more. And I know the pizza got your attention.
Pizza and bouncy houses? How can you go wrong?
Why not?
Unless you have too much pizza and then go in the bouncy house, you could have problems.
I think you want to do the bouncy house first.
And of course, that's at the Caurus Academy, 44111 North 43rd Avenue in Phoenix. That's, of course, Saturday, May 11th, again at noon to 4 p.m. Wristbands are only $10. Pizza meals only $8. And the tickets, get this, are just $1. So you got on for $10 or $20, you got $1 to spare. You can tip the guy.
Have a lot of fun, doing some good for the school.
Absolutely.
And why not, right?
Why not?
Why not?
What's up next, Rob?
Well, John, now it's time for this week's Funky Fresh Friday tip of the week.
Most important.
That's right, John. Have you noticed that interest rates have been dropping lately?
Have they?
They have.
Absolutely, Rob. In fact, it's been quite of a trend. You know what it means for clients right now, actually, though?
Well, you betcha, John. It means that it might be time for a mortgage checkup.
Maybe.
It might be time.
Exactly. So, folks, just want to chat about something super important, you know. With interest rates kind of going up and down, they've been diving a little bit now, which is a good time to take opportunity. Let's review your current mortgage situation, see if we can't help out.
Mm-hmm. You know, because absolutely, guys, you know, lower rates could mean significant savings for you. But it's not just about lowering your rate. It's about putting you in a better overall financial position.
Absolutely, Rob. For instance, if you actually are been iron to do like a home improvement, maybe some renovations, you could actually consider getting a cash out equity from your property and actually use that to redesign your new house, kitchen,
put it in a pool,
man cave,
fix your backyard,
woman cave, whatever,
for the
refinance.
You know, and with home values on the rise, you might even be able to remove that pesky mortgage insurance.
Oh, yeah.
Which could lower your payment even more.
Absolutely, and that would be a big one. So
Oh,
what do
yeah.
you say? How about we sit down, explore your options? We're actually here to help you make the most out of that mortgage to put you actually in a better financial place completely. So,
And guys, and whether it's lowering your interest rate, cashing out your home for improvements, or removing that mortgage insurance, or maybe paying off some other bills that you've got, we've got you guys covered here at Guild Mortgage, guys.
absolutely. So give us a call. Let's chat about how we can actually tailor a solution that perfectly fits your needs. So go ahead and call and text me, John, at 480-251-1152, or
call or text me, Rob, at 520-240-2189. And guys, we will be happy to answer any of your home mortgage-related questions, guys.
absolutely.
And remember, guys, at Guild Mortgage,
No loan is too big.
no loan is too small.
And when it comes to home loans,
Guys, we can handle them all.
Of course, you guys know that our best source of business comes from all you guys out there.
It sure does, John. So we always like to take a minute and thank everyone for referring us to their friends, their family, and anyone that you know that needs a home loan or just has home loan questions, guys.
Because again, your referrals, all you guys out there are the key to our success, actually. So again, thank you so much for helping us spread that word.
Thank you.
Please don't forget, like and share below. It's right there
And
at the
guys,
bottom.
comment below. We want to hear from you. What special Mother's Day tradition do you have? Let us know below, guys. We want to hear. And guys, and as always, thanks so much for tuning in. And don't forget, I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
And we all hope you have a
Funky
Fresh
Friday.
Now at
Guild
Mortgage.
Mortgage.
Guys, be safe. Look both ways before crossing the street.
Please.
And make somebody's day.
That's what she said.